Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of video is electron transport chain. Let's start the topic. Electron transport chain. Respiratory chain or electron transport chain from NADH2 to oxygen oxidative phosphorylation occurrence. It takes place in mitochondria where NADH2 and FADH2 are produced in Krebs cycle and in glycolysis are reoxidized into NAD and FAD producing ATP. Explanation. The oxidation involves oxygen uptake and water produced, but neither from NADH2 and nor FADH2, but combined with the atmospheric oxygen to form water and hydrogen ion receive several intermediate from electron carrier. Their electrons are transferred through compound. These electron carriers constitute electron transport system or respiration chain. Component of electron transport system, it consists of the following parts: cytochrome, that is cytochrome B, cytochrome C, cytochrome A, cytochrome A3, quinine and ubiquinines. Elevoproteins either FAD or FMN, some iron sulfate FES proteins, enzyme cytochrome oxides or oxidase. In each carriers of the system usually accept an electron only from previous carriers. The cytochrome FES can receive and transfer only one electron at the time, but ubiquinine and FAD FMN receive and transfer two electron and two proton hydrogen ions. When NADH2 is oxidized into NAD of Krebs cycle, 3 molecules of ATP is produced, while in cytosol NADH2 is reoxidized in the mitochondria to form 2 molecules of ATP. The ATP production is due to pH gradient in mitochondria. In matrix of mitochondria, pH is 8.5, while in the inner membrane the pH is 7. These pH gradients results in the ATP production according to Michael chemist theory. Pathway. Harris pathway. The NADH2 which is formed in Krebs cycle is reoxidized in mitochondria in the following way: 2 electrons and 2 protons are passed to FMN containing flavoprotein reduced into FMNH2. The FMNH2 lost 2 electrons, 2 protons, which is in pass to FES protein. These FES can accept only one electron at a time. Inner for the 2 hydrogen ions are transferred into intermembrane space. The pH gradient occurs and ATP is formed. The pH is high in intermembrane and acidity in the intermembrane. The 2 electron reacts with the inner membrane space with Fe plus 3s to form 2 FES. 2 FES protein lost 2 electrons and then transfer ubiquinine to form UQH2. Here is reaction. The 2 hydrogen ions come from the matrix of mitochondria by the splitting of 2 water molecules in the following reaction. From ubiquinine or UQH2, the electron move one at a time to various space. pH gradient occurs and ATP is synthesized. Splitting ubiquinine, and here is reaction. From the cytochrome to cytochrome B, 2 electron loss and receive another Fe2s protein. 2 cytochrome B and Fe2 plus reaction with 2 electron to form 2 cytochrome B Fe2. Here is overall reaction. 2 FES lost 2 electrons and give up 2 quinine plus 2 electrons plus 2 hydrogen ions, and the product is ubiquinine H2. The 2H come from the matrix of mitochondria. Ubiquinine means that UQH2 again split into 2QH2 and form UQ plus hydrogen ions plus 2 electrons. The hydrogen ion transfer into inner membrane space. pH gradient occurs and ATP is formed. The 2 steps and the 2 electrons is taken by cytochrome C, then lost 2 electrons received by cytochrome C. then loss and receive 2 electrons by cytochrome A and transfer it to the cytochrome A3. Cytochrome A3 loss again 2 electrons and then taken by the atmospheric oxygen with the help of 2 carriers of molecules. In the presence of 2 hydrogen ions or hydrogen ion released from water and a new molecule of water is formed. In mitochondria electron transport chain, the ATP is formed by the reduction of atom and atmospheric oxygen. That may be cycle is the cycle is called as oxidative phosphorylation. Here is reaction FADH2 is equal to 2 ATP in Krebs cycle. Here is overall reaction in inner membrane, mitochondria and inner membrane, intermembrane, mitochondria and inner membrane. Here is the end of aerobic respiration. The next video is about anaerobic respiration. Must watch the next video. Like, share and subscribe the channel Science and Nature. Thank you.